Hello, welcome. How do we solve this algebra question? Without further delay, let's begin. Solution. We have k times k times k minus k times k equal to negative 12. K times k times k, that is simply k to the power of 3 minus k times k, that is also k to the power of 2 equal to negative 12. The first step we are going to take now is to transfer this guy to the left side. So we are going to have k to the power of 3 minus k to the power of 2 plus 12 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. K to the power of 3 minus k square could be written as plus 2k square minus 3k square plus 12 equal to 0. Now, what do you notice here? You will notice that k square is common, so we can pull it out. So we are going to have k to the power of 2 into k plus 2. What do you also notice here? You will notice that we can factor out minus 3. So we are going to have minus 3 into k to the power of 2 minus 4 equal to 0. Because minus 3 times k square gives minus 3k square. Minus 3 times minus 4 gives plus 12. Let's continue. K to the power of 2 times k plus 2 minus 3 into k square minus 4 could be written as 2 to the power of 2, everything equal to 0. Let's proceed further. K to the power of 2 times k plus 2 minus 3. This guy is a difference of 2 square, and we can write it as k minus 2 times k plus 2 equal to 0. You will observe that k plus 2 is common, so let us factor it out. This implies that k plus 2 is equal to 0, or k to the power of 2 minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. Clearly, from this line, k is equal to negative 2. This is the first solution. Now, let us consider this quadratic equation. K to the power of 2 minus 3k plus 6 equal to 0. You will observe that we cannot factorize this guy, but we can solve it using quadratic formula. That means our a is equals to 1, the coefficient of k square, and b is equals to negative 3, coefficient of k, and c is equals to 6. What does the quadratic formula say? It says that k is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. K is equals to minus, what is b? B is negative 3, so we have minus 3 plus or minus square root of b. B is negative 3, that will be minus 3 all square minus 4 times, what is a? A is simply 1. And what is c? C is 6 all over 2 times 1. Let's continue. K is equals to minus times minus 3, that is 3 plus or minus square root of negative 3 all to the power of 2, that is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 6, that is simply 24, all over 2 times 1, that is 2. So, k is equals to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 24, that is negative 15, over 2. K is equals to 3 plus or minus square root of negative 15, we can write it as square root of negative 1 times square root of 15 over 2. K is equals to 3 plus or minus, what is square root of negative 1? That is I from the complex number times square root of 15 over 2. This implies that k is equal to, this whole guy is the same thing as 3 over 2 plus or minus I times square root of 15 over 2. Let's continue. This implies that k is equals to 3 over 2 plus I times square root of 15 over 2, or k equal to 3 over 2 minus I times square root of 15 over 2. Therefore, k1 is equals to negative 2, k2 is equals to this right hand side 3 over 2 plus I times square root of 15 over 2. And last but not the least, k3 is equal to this guy, 3 over 2 minus I times square root of 15 over 2. This is the required solution for this algebra problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.